Setting, right? Goal setting is really important. I know this seems pretty basic, but here's the thing. We tend to set really, really big goals, unrealistic goals, and assume that we're just gonna get from point A to point C without getting to B, right? And so in the journal, I talk about the importance of setting realistic goals and expectations. So it's important for us to understand the difference between a process goal and a long-term goal or an outcome goal. You know, I use the example in the journal of writing a novel because that just seems like the simplest one. If you want to write a novel, part of the reason people never do is because of all the work they have to do from A to C, right? To get to that point of like actually finishing a novel. You have to deal with so much resistance to get there. But if instead you break it down into a process goal, which is a short-term goal, and say, I'm gonna write for 30 minutes, 3 days a week for a year, that's different. That allows you to focus on something more realistic rather than I'm gonna write a novel. It breaks it down. And it also allows you to focus on the importance of the process itself, which is like when I sit down to write, maybe it's good, maybe it isn't, but the important thing is I'm doing it, and that is gonna bring me somewhere. That is gonna take me to that outcome, no matter how long it takes. Instead of saying, oh my gosh, look at all these people that have written novels, and you know, I wish I could be like them and write a novel in 3 months or whatever. There's a lot of comparison that comes up. So the first thing is, it's important for you to break down the goal setting into a process goal and outcome goal.